Hi Crafty Angels, Vanessa here from Angel Rose Designs here on YouTube. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you from Massachusetts. And today, I'm here with some project shares that I did last night on a live with Miss Millie the Silent Crafter and Miss Heather from Create and Share with Heather, I believe. And myself, Miss Millie, and Grandma Joe are doing a collab where we pick one word and we do that one word for the as long as we want. Well, I chose my one word for last night was Thanksgiving. And what I did is I made an ATC card using some stuff that I found, some free stuff that I found on Pinterest, and this thread is bothering me. I printed them out, I cut them out, and I just glued them onto my playing card. You can see there. Okay. Then I made a greeting card. It says giving thanks. What I did was I cut the card to the size I wanted. I can't give you a size because I didn't measure. I just folded it and cut it the way I wanted it. And then I took my corner rounder and corner rounded my card here on the sides and my mats. Okay, I inked all around the back and the front, not the inside though. The edges of the card and the mats, and also the cutout here. And I used Tim Holtz vintage photo for this, okay? And the cutouts, I'm gonna look and see if I can find it again on Pinterest, and I will try my best to link it down below in the description, not description, in the comment section and in the description box if I can remember. And then I took some brads and I cut the little what they call them, the little bottom pieces off for the brads, and stuck the brads on with some art glitter glue. Here too you see brads. And then the inside I did the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but I put the greeting, give thanks with a grateful heart. And that is my two projects from November 10th 2021 on my live with one word collab with Miss Millie the Silent Crafter and Miss Heather. We did last night. Okay, thank you all for watching. Please like, share, and comment. And if you haven't already, what are you waiting for? Hit that big red subscribe button down below and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to get notified of when I upload new content. Also, be blessed, be kind, be loving, be crafty, and I will see you all in the next video. And on the flip side, happy crafting on a budget, happy everything on a budget, and bye-bye for now.